how to add YouTrip card to Apple Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add a YouTrip card to Apple Wallet. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. To add your YouTrip card to Apple Wallet, you can either initiate the process from within the YouTrip app or directly through the Apple Pay app on your iPhone. So in the YouTrip app, first you go ahead and then launch YouTrip app, and then you log into your account. Simply navigate to your card details and select the option Add to Apple Wallet. Alternatively, if you're in the Wallet app, you can tap on the plus button and choose to add a debit or credit card, and then either scan your YouTrip card or manually enter the details and verify the card using the method provided like SMS or email. This way you can add YouTrip card to Apple Wallet. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.